If you could propagate plants from cuttings in your sleep, well, after watching this video, you might as well do exactly that. You don't have to believe me as yet. Once you have seen it all in this video, how cuttings are extracted, treatment before putting them in water, repotting the young bougainvillea in the soil at the right time, and the best part, roots would be revealed along with some beautiful flowers. And only then you should believe me. Simple enough, right? Hey plant lover, how you doing? We all have propagated plants from cuttings, especially bougainvilleas. Now, how would you like to review a no-fail propagation method that has never been attempted before here on YouTube? And best part is we will only use things readily available in our homes. No buying stimulants, hormones, or flower inducers. Plain and simple, everyday ingredients would give us the perfect roots, flowers in no time. And yes, you can use this method as if your life depends on it. And if great shots are your thing, this video has some stunning visuals. So find your own reasons and watch it with me. You won't be disappointed. And that's a promise. So sit tight and let's propagate some bougainvilleas from cuttings. Oh, and yeah, you should also hit the subscribe button along with the notification bell. Come on now. Get a brown stem for cutting. Remove all you can thorns, leaves, small branches, flowers without harming the main stem. 6 to 8 inches is a good enough length for a viable cutting, and have those cuts at an angle to increase the wound's surface area. Now split the cuttings right in the middle to about 2 inches. Make sure it's right in the middle on the side, and there might be complications. Use small cutouts of a toothpick to hold these splits apart. This is what we are at. Take a good look at how the cutting should be right after the initial preparation. Time for our very own panacea, cinnamon powder. It doubles up as a fungicide and rooting stimulant. And time for our cuttings to get a taste of it. Before letting them sit in cinnamon powder and water solution, scar the cuttings well as they get off to a great start. After 2 hours or so, time to move on to something that has never been attempted before here on the platform. Get hold of some wood ash. Yes, ash, procured the right way. Burning wood in a fireplace or bonfire. Now you might be wondering what's going on. Well, please note wood ash serves as a source of potassium and calcium carbonate, hence parting nutrition of highest order to the young cuttings. So this is the simplest yet the most effective fertilizer you can give cuttings right at the beginning to help them callus, shoot and root. Goes a long way in helping the cuttings on the right path. Now the cuttings stay in this ash and water solution for 1 full week, and then you can replace it with normal tap water. This time around, you'll observe small white bumps will start to appear around the base of the cuttings. That's callus, and it's a perfect sign for how things are shaping up. All this happens on a windowsill or outside if temperatures are anywhere between 18 degrees and 25 degrees Celsius. 2 weeks from the start date, we see shoots and we are on the right path. White bumps are getting bigger and cuttings continue to grow foliage. Sometime around third or fourth week, you should reach this stage. Small branches are out, leaves are all spread out, the callus has grown as big as it would. Time to repot. Get a medium sized pot and add garden soil, river sand, and cocoa peat in equal measure as the first potting mix. We will improvise during our next repot whenever that happens. Water immediately and once every 4 days for about 2 weeks while the plants are in a shaded spot. Third week onwards, take the plant in the sun and start watering once every 7 days. 3 months from the start, and this is where we come. Two of them are flowering. This is what we have been working for, right? The sight to behold and keep it close for good. Well, I'm not going to leave just with that side. Coming up is another beautiful side. Let's find out what's going on with the cutting that hasn't flowered yet. Although I had pruned two of these bougainvilleas to get rid of some leaf problems, time to find out what's the status of their roots. This one seems to grow a little slow, however, looks in perfect shape. You would agree. Might as well flower within a few weeks. As I had shown you, the stage where you need to absolutely transfer the cuttings to the soil, otherwise, things will get complicated. The time is perfect right before the roots come when cuttings are in the water. These roots in water would ultimately give way to stronger roots. So, to avoid all that hassle a cutting has to go through, please make sure you get them in the soil before that. Just to show you how roots of a more than a year old bougainvillea looks like, so that you don't worry too much about roots being small or not strong enough. Bougainvilleas take some time before getting heavy on root structure, so you need to hold on to the plant, give it the required care, and you will be there. That brings us to the close of the video. Please make sure you let me know how you like the video, and goes without saying, like and share. Let it reach others too. I've always loved interacting with you, so any questions, feedback, or suggestions, keep them coming. Thank you for your time. Stay safe, stay healthy. For more interesting videos, check out the links in the description. Cheers. Goodbye.